Hello, this is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the OtterBox wall charger. This is the new Fast Charge. It charges devices up to 3.6 times faster, as it says. It's durable and tough. It's 18 watts total. So we'll get to the unboxing now. They have great warranty, and they also have a nice message right there. So here is the charger itself. They have different color models. So if you like black and like a copper, they have that. Kind of looks like a battery itself. There is the 18 watt charger right here, and the USB-C port, and then you have the wall charger. Now this comes in the package with it flipped out, but it folds up, which is awesome. So it's even smaller right there. We like the flip out charging adapters, and this is from OtterBox. Comes with some documentation, but all you really need to know is that it charges very quickly. It offers the fast charge for your iPhone devices and your iPad as well. And you'll definitely want to pick one of these up. They're less expensive than the Apple chargers, but they're made with high quality components. This is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.